Welcome to this course. In this course, we are going to learn how you can build projects in Next.js using OpenAI, as well as how to create a group chat application using Socket.io. At the end of this course, you will be learning how to build a portfolio website using a template and how you can deploy it on production so that you can showcase your projects as well as your personal skills and experience to the real world. In order to begin with this course, you should have basic knowledge of React.js application at least, and it's better if you have knowledge of GitHub, but it's not necessary since I will be showing you how you can use GitHub by creating a new account. So in this course, we will be creating 4 projects and a portfolio website, which will be our 5th project. First project will be a real-time group chat application where multiple users can chat in multiple rooms. Second project that we'll be creating will be a chatbot using OpenAI, which would be an interactive chatbot, the most common thing that we see on most of the websites. Third project that we'll be creating will be an AI-based tweet generator that will generate tweets based on the previous tweets of a user. Fourth project that we will be creating will be an AI-based image generator, which will take user commands and generate an image based on the user commands. Fifth project, that is the portfolio site, will build a portfolio site where you can showcase your projects as well as add your experience, skills, educations and related skills and related information to showcase the ideal recruiter. You will be able to deploy it for free, so there is no cost related to this project at the time of this recording. And just a disclaimer, we are not going to use any Python code or implement anything related to AI directly. We'll be mostly using OpenAI in order to use AI based functionalities in our project. So let's begin with the next section of this course. So who is this course for? So this course is for entry-level developers who have basic knowledge of JavaScript and React.js and are now looking forward to build their portfolio and gain some confidence in their skills. So in this video, we are going to learn how to install Node.js on your local machine. So to install Node.js on your local machine, go to Google search and type in download Node.js. Go to official link nodejs.org and click on download. So clicking here will lead you to the download section, and if you're not here, just check on the top header and select downloads so that you are on the downloads page, which looks exactly like this. At the later point of this course, for example several months or years later, this page might look a bit different, but the process remains same. So select the operating system that you're using right now. For me it's macOS, for you it might be Windows, or if you are using Linux or Ubuntu, I would show you how you can do that in the later part of this video. So to begin with, select the operating system and download the latest version, and the download will begin immediately. So once the download is done, open the folder, go to the downloads folder and double click the installation package. This will ask you to continue in order to begin with the installation. So continue, accept the license agreement, click on agree, then click on install. For me it's already done, but to show you I would just continue. It will take some time for installation to complete, and once this is done, it will show you a summary of the installation location. Click on close. Move the installation package to bin in case of macOS. In case of Windows, it would not be similar to this, and you will have to do something on your own and delete the file. So once this is done, open terminal, type node-v in order to check the Node.js version you're using, and this will also confirm that the Node.js installation is successful. So we have our Node.js version 18.15.0 at the time of this course recording. This version might be different at the time when you're purchasing this course and viewing this video, but it doesn't make much difference in the course content. So we'll be closing this now. And let's see what are the steps for Linux operating system. So to do that, go to Google, type installing Node.js on Ubuntu. Go to vultr.com in order to see how you can install Node.js on Ubuntu. Select the first link you find on Vultr. I will also write down these steps in the course requirements list so that you can easily copy and use those instructions directly onto your terminal. So to start with, go to the terminal on your Ubuntu machine and then type in sudo apt install node.js-y. This will install stable version of Node.js on your machine. And in order to install Node Package Manager, mention sudo apt install npm-y. This will install Node Package Manager on your machine. And to verify the Node version, you can run node.js-version. And to verify the installation of npm, you can similarly run npm-version. So I hope that you are able to understand what we're doing in this video, and the node has been successfully installed on your machine. How you can install Visual Studio Code on your local machine. To begin with, go to your browser and search for download Visual Studio Code. So once you are on the search page, go to download Visual Studio Code by the official code.visualstudio.com link and select the operating system that you're using. So Visual Studio Code is automatically installable using Windows Installer, DEB on Ubuntu and Debian, and .rpm package on Red Hat and later version. Similarly, on macOS you can download the installer, or either you can choose Intel chip or Apple Silicon installer based on your requirement. I would simply go to Mac installer and download the installer. So downloading has begun, and once it is done, I would show you how you can install it. So once the download is complete, open the package, unzip it. Once it is done, open the installer and it will ask you for permission. Since I have already installed it, I am not being prompted to move it to the applications, but in your case you have to open it, and either the installation steps will be prompted or you will be asked to move the package to applications. So once this is done, your installation will be complete and you will be ready for the further development. There are few more things that I would like to share with you. There are some extensions that will help you in developing better applications in faster way. Right? They are not compulsory, they are not required, but if you need some help in your coding styles and if you are fine with using third-party tools, then you can use these extensions. Let me show you some of the extensions that I will be using throughout this course. So here I am in my Visual Studio Code. You can check out I am using latest version, which is released in March 2023. Alright, and here you can see the extension that I'm using right now for React and Redux is ES7 Plus React Redux React Native Snippet version 4.4.3. Apart from that, I am using Prettier Code Formatter in order to format my code so that the indentation and the coding UI looks good. If you have some other choice, you can go with it, but for this course I'll be using Prettier. With this, we are almost set to start up with our development, and let's now start with our first project. So see you in the next lecture. Bye.